Can you solve this math problem? Let's find out. The first thing we're going to do down below is we're going to rewrite this problem. So we have 18 times 22 minus parentheses negative 81 being divided by 9 and parentheses cubed. So since we have multiple operations in this problem, we need to make sure that we're following the order of operations. And over on our left-hand side here, we can see the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for the order of priorities when solving problems just like this. The P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, so our first priority is to solve for anything within parentheses. And here in parentheses, we're being asked to divide negative 81 by 9, and since we're dividing a negative by a positive, we're going to get a negative quotient. So when we divide negative 81 by 9, we get negative 9, and that negative 9 is cubed. So now we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have 18 times 22 minus negative 9 cubed. So since we don't have anything else to solve within parentheses here, we're going to move on to our next priority of E, which stands for exponents. So now we're going to solve for any exponents. And here we have negative 9 cubed, or negative 9 to the power of 3, which we know is going to give us negative 729. And then we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have 18 times 22 minus negative 729. So since we don't have any more exponents to deal with here, we're going to move on to our next priority of multiplying or dividing. And here we can see that we're being asked to multiply 18 by 22, which we know gives us 396. Then we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have minus, parentheses, negative 729, and parentheses. So since we don't have any more multiplication or division, we're going to move on to our last priority of adding or subtracting. And here we're being asked to subtract negative 729 from 396. So in order for us to subtract our negative value here, we're going to add the opposite. So we have our 396, that hasn't changed, but now we're going to be adding the opposite of negative 729, which is 729. And then when we add 729 onto 396, we get 1,125. So that means that our answer is B, 1,125. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.